Today I'll be unboxing this 3-in-1 bikini trimmer, an upgraded multifunctional razor. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So today I'm going to be unboxing it and we're going to be checking what is inside the box and we'll be testing it out. This razor is designed for whole body, face, and even delicate areas. Let's go ahead and take a look. Right away, you could see it has sleek packaging and it clearly states everything that is inside the box. The LED display, the USB charging, and the waterproof design. It looks gift worthy right out of the box. Inside we have the main trimmer with an LED display. Three interchangeable heads, one for hair body, one for facial grooming, and one for eyebrow and nose hair. Plus the charging dock with a USB cable and a cleaning brush. Everything you need for a full grooming routine is here. This is designed with hypoallergenic blades and a mesh guard that is gentle even on sensitive skin. The LED display shows the battery life fully charged at 99%. It's best to recharge when it drops to 20. A great feature about charging is that you could charge it directly with the USB cable that they provided or charge it with the included dock. The body blade works for underarms, legs, and bikini areas. The facial head removes fine hair from upper lip, chin, and cheeks. To clean it up, simply twist up and clean. To put back, just snap back into place. The precision head trims eyebrows or nose hair without pulling or irritation. I'm starting with the body blade. It is smooth, pain-free, and glides right over the skin without snagging. A full charge gives you up to 120 minutes of cordless use, making it perfect for travel or quick touch-ups on the go.
And last but not least, it is waterproof, so you could use it dry or wet.
So if you're looking for an all-in-one grooming solution that is waterproof, gentle, and travel-friendly, then this 3-in-1 bikini trimmer is a great choice. I'll leave the link down below so you can check it out.